Here is how we can delete all iPad apps at once. Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, subscribe and we can get us started. So, of course, you can individually delete apps by holding down on them and clicking on the options and remove the app, right? That's pretty simple. And you can do it like that for literally any app, or click on the minus icon and click on the delete. However, if you want to do multiple apps at once, this is where it gets a little bit complicated, and especially if you want to remove all of them at once. And if you want to remove all at once, the best way by far would be to go to the settings, click on general, and at the bottom we have transfer or reset iPad, where upon clicking on erase all content and settings, you will have the ability with a click of a button erase the iPad fully, which includes literally everything from the device, including photos, apps, the layout of applications and everything else, right? So if you want to wipe the iPad clean, especially before you want to sell it or give it away, then this is the way to do it, and probably the only way to delete all apps at once. So that's what you can do. Of course, as we said, it also deletes photos. So if you want to keep them, you can decide that you, for example, only back up photos to the iCloud so you don't lose them, wipe the iPad clean so it's going to delete all of the apps, and then you can restore your photos from iCloud. So there are like more ways you can kind of like work with it. You can, of course, back up notes, messages, files, all of the stuff to iCloud. So then when you wipe the iPad, it's gonna keep the data on iCloud but delete all of the apps. So that's the option we have. If anything changes in the future, I'll definitely make an updated video about it. But for now, that's it. Subscribe for more and I'll see you later.